Yo, we got a very interesting sneaker in this box right here. Shouts out to the homie Jay the Sneaker Guy. Finally came home to the package. I wanted to see what it's in for, and I want to get that raw initial reaction with you guys. So we're gonna hop right into today's video. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks again for tuning in to another video. We got something crazy in this box. Like I said in the intro, man, it's a very interesting sneaker. It kind of surprised me. They were going for like damn near $600 before the drop, and then out of nowhere the price tanked. Like it literally tanked. So I kind of almost like impulse bought them just because I did not want to miss out on having this sneaker in the collection. And we finally have it, and we're gonna talk about the resale value, what happened to it, because I don't know what happened with this sneaker in this box, man. If you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, man, hit that subscribe button. We still trying to get that 100K, man. I want to hit that 100K with you guys, bring you along this journey. Still give you guys a bunch of early looks, give you guys some insight on what your boy made to the collection. Like I said, we got a very dope pair of original ones in this box. Like I said, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content we drop on the channel. And make sure you leave a huge like on today's video. Help your boy get back in the algorithm. Like I said, I've been going the entire month, so I need all you guys' support, man. Drop some comments down below, and please leave this video with a huge like, man. I know you guys see the new tee we just dropped on Unknown Collections, man. We got that Unknown Future that just dropped. We got it in white and we got it in black, so make sure you guys will head over to the site Unknown Collections down below in the description box, man. Check out the IG, check out the website, browse a couple things. I'm definitely sure something on the site that you guys will rock out with. All right, let's get back into the sneaker, man. Like I said, a very weird one, man. I don't know what happened. Like I said, these joints is going for damn near $600 in my size. And at the time, I was like, man, maybe I got these for a little steal. And then out of nowhere, like I said, the price totally tanked on these things right here. And like I said, we gonna talk about it in this video. And before we get into it, man, please let me know what kind of impulse buys you guys have been doing since I've been gone. I done bought a bunch of sneakers while I was out, and I feel like a couple of the sneakers that I did buy, I maybe pulled the trigger a little bit too soon, man. Again, like I said, man, shout out to the homie Jay the Sneaker Guy. Hooked your boy up with this pair right here. I secured my pair, but maybe I got them too early, and the box is already looking fire, man. That's really why I was like, yo, let me go ahead and pull the trigger. Let me go ahead and cop them, because I thought the entire craftsmanship of the sneaker, the thought behind it, the idea, the crazy box and all that good stuff was like, yo, I need to cop the shoe. You guys see it, man. You see that big X on the box. You guys should already know what these is, man. You should already know what it is. And without further ado, let's go ahead and pop them out of the box and talk about this crazy pair of Air Jordan 1s. And I still think they're crazy. I don't care if the resale done died or not. I still think it's a very dope Air Jordan 1, man. You guys see the box. You got the red X up top. You got all this writing over it as well. Hit you guys with a bunch of beer over this. But man, I'm glad I finally got it. Let's go ahead and get into it. You have an Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, black, white, and particle gray. And of course, we got these things in a size 9. You guys see it, man. Crazy box, man. 1985. First pair, Air Jordan 1s, you guys see it again. Shouts out to the homie Jay the Sneaker Guy for plugging me in on this pair right here. Make sure you guys go shop with him. He be having a bunch of early heat, and he always sells stuff out his collection, man. Make sure you go check out. If you got size 8.5 through 9, you might come up with some steals and some deals. So going along with the crazy packaging, you got some nice tissue paper that came in these right here. Got Jordan 1, you know, his Air Jordan 1 was banned from the league. He couldn't wear, you know, multicolored sneakers or something like that. And Nike paid the fine every time he wore a pair of his Air Jordan 1s. And let's get into them. Yes, sir. You have them, man. The Air Jordan 1 Rebellionaires. You guys see that big X on the back. And the X on the back, you guys probably seen on a pair of Air Jordan 1 breads or band, or you want to call them, that released a while back. The resale on them things is crazy. So I thought this one right here was going to stay up at a resale value, but it didn't, and that's what we got to talk about in today's video. So just off of first impressions, I think that this sneaker is super crazy. They kind of gave it a shadow look to it, but you got that band X on the back. And it didn't matter, man. The resale shows. The resale definitely shows. But maybe the resale dipped because it was a lot of pairs. They said these were not going to be releasing on the sneakers app. But you guys did see a bunch of mom and pop shops having these things. doing raffles, and a lot of stores doing online entries for people to, you know what I'm saying, grab a pair of these. And man, I still think that these are crazy. But like I said, I maybe pulled the trigger too fast, because right now on GOAT and StockX, you can get a pair for damn near retail. Yes, I didn't pay retail. Let's just keep it at that. I did not pay retail. I went ahead and secured my size because I thought that was gonna be a crazy, crazy sneaker. I thought it was gonna be really, really hard to find. So you guys see it, man, you got an extra pair of white laces right here, and they come equipped with the black joints. I think personally, I'm gonna rock out with the black. Just kind of keep it, you know, it kind of has that shadow look to it. And I rock my shadows with my black laces. I don't switch out anything like that. And then of course on the back, you get that big red X. Like I said, the band ones dropped a while back. I'll put a picture up here so you guys can check it out. Pretty much the whole band theme came from, like I said, when Jordan was wearing his Air Jordan 1 breads back in the day. He couldn't wear them in the league, so he kept getting fined every time he wore the sneaker. And Nike was the one paying that fine every single time. And I kind of like revolutionized the sneaker game as far as the NBA. You guys see where it is today. And if I can actually make out what it says on the sneaker, I think it says stop wearing them, if I'm not mistaken. You guys let me know down below in the comments. So I know you guys out there already did your history on the sneaker, and you already know what these joints is hitting for. So the same design you get on the back of the sneaker all around this joint, you also have it on the Nike swoosh as well, which I really think is dope, man. So it's only right for me to go ahead and grab them, man. We have the Air Jordan 1 Shadows, and like I said, over here we have the Air Jordan 1 Rebellionaires. And like I said, they have a lot of resemblance within the two. I think the thing that put it over the top, like I said, is the writing all over the sneaker and that huge X on the back. Just something crazy, something dope to add to the collection. Something like, you know what I'm saying, 10 years down the line, you probably not gonna see a lot of people having. And I didn't wanna be that guy that regret not copping them when I did, even though I could've got them for a lot cheaper price. Usually when you see Jordans not released on Nike or a sneakers app, you think of exclusive, you think of limited. You may think of them being hard to get. And this one right here was not that case at all, because these joints are available pretty much everywhere. And when you see the resale so low, you think that the sneaker is not exclusive anymore. But me, I still think it's an exclusive sneaker. They put a lot of emphasis on the craftsmanship, the design all around the sneaker. Like I said, man, I'm happy I was able to cop these joints, add them to the collection. So yeah, guys, here we have them, Air Jordan 1 Rebellionaires. Let me know what you guys think the resale price is gonna be in the near future. I can still see them jumping back up. We're not gonna see the sneaker releasing for a while to come. This is one of those limited edition, one of them special exclusive sneakers that they brought on to us. And I think that is a lot of upside with these Rebellionaire Air Jordan 1s. So if you got a pair in the collection, to sit on them for a while, I'm telling y'all, man, the resale price is gonna jump up on these Air Jordan 1s right here. I appreciate everybody for tuning in to today's video, man. It is greatly appreciated. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any other content that we drop. Make sure you guys check out Unknown Collections, man. We got on right now. Be greatly appreciated, man. Go support your boy's business. Make sure you go follow me over IG and on Twitter so you don't miss out on any more exclusive access drops, shock drops, or anything that happens as far as sneakers, Jordans. I got y'all on the channel. Again, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate all of the support. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.